Hey guys, welcome back to Kiwanna's Kitchen. I'm Kiwanna. Today I have another quick and easy meal that you can make for your family for the hard times that we are having today, and that is baked beans with chopped hot dogs. So without further ado, let's go ahead and I will show you of how I put these baked beans together. Okay guys, in my pot here, I am going to go in with my beans. I'm going to be using pinto beans to make my baked beans because that's all of what I have on hand. I don't have any more baked beans. Normally you would need white beans or basically baked beans in the can or whatever. But guys, I do make my own from scratch a lot of the times. I go in with pinto beans, black beans, navy beans, even kidney beans. Whatever I have on hand, like I said guys, I just throw it into my beans along with some meat. I add in what I'm adding in now, some mustard. I go in with ketchup, barbecue sauce, some onion, and hot dogs or ground beef or Italian sausage or whatever. Like I said, I have on hand, and of course some brown sugar because you guys know baked beans are sweet. So I only went in with 2 tablespoons of that brown sugar, but you can definitely adjust these ingredients to your liking. And a lot of people like super sweet baked beans. I am not one of them, okay? And also people like spicy baked beans. So yeah, I did add in a little bit of some crushed peppers, but that was kind of like while the baked beans were cooking. I didn't show you guys that, but I did go in with some. And now I added in my hot dogs, and these are the hot dogs from Sam's Club. Guys, oh my God, do y'all know when you go get those beef hot dogs in Sam's while you cooking or whatever and you want to eat while you shop? Those hot dogs are the bomb. Oh my God. So now here I'm adding in my onion. I use a small sweet Vidalia onion that I chopped up. So now I'm just going to go ahead and let this cook, and I'm going to let it cook so everything can pull together. Everything went in raw, so everything cooked together, and again, all those flavors came together and just made a really nice, quick and easy meal that you can make for your family, and that's homemade baked beans with hot dogs. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you did, please give my video a thumbs up because that helped my channel out a lot. And again, you can adjust these ingredients to your liking. So until next time, you guys take care. Bye.